At Tarkenton Financial, you're not one of many. They say you're one of us. And I really feel that way. It's a family atmosphere.
It was just a great connection right out of the gate. And they just treat you like family. I know everyone here. They're fantastic.
And Tarkenton gives me so much more personal support. They're there when I need them to be. They've educated me. They've just been all around a really great company to be a part of.
I look at Tarkenton as extension of Trinity Capital Management. They're like another team member.
I've been enjoying working with Tarkenton Investments for some time now. They've been instrumental in helping me solidify relationships with clients that need income.
I think it's really important to be able to offer a wide variety of insurance products to my clients because every client situation is different.
In a complex world, you want to be able to offer as much to your investors as possible, but not overwhelm them, and Tarkenton Financial offers us that ability.
Having to have many different hats on, from an RIA and a BD and now also an insurance producer, it can be a little overwhelming, but they make it very easy to put together a plan based on what income solver or income needs that are trying to be met.
They're up on everything, so they have the knowledge. They are always constantly showing you what's new, what's out there.
They're just going to be your back office, and they're not going to charge you to be their back office when it comes to annuities and life insurance.
I never incorporated insurance into the practice, but after writing, the first few policies and looking at these contracts, especially in the context of the bear market that we're in and people's risk tolerance all of a sudden diminishing, these types of products certainly have a place, and Tarkenton makes it super easy.
I absolutely would tell them they need to utilize Tarkenton Financial and the annuities and life insurance products that they offer because it's really helpful to clients to have that guaranteed income for life.
Learning who Tarkenton people are and getting to know them better, I think really helps. Being around them and knowing your team leaders and people are part of it. So we've always had a great time, and I've always taken something from it.
Fran's more than a Hall of Fame quarterback. He's also a Hall of Fame business person. And what I love working with Fran is he can bring all that wisdom to the table.
He's actually come into the meeting and surprised them, and he's just played a huge role in helping support me in my business.
From A to Z, it's just been fantastic here.
I can't even imagine having an IMO other than Tarkenton Financial. They're very down-to-earth, very personal people.
The support, the fun, that's the great thing about Tarkenton. They're more than just business. They're a fun family of friends to work with.
I told my husband the other day, all of my wonderful memories are either with him or Tarkenton Financial or both.
The team at Tarkenton has been a huge pleasure to work with, and I look forward to working with them for many years to come.